Hey everyone, it's Nique and welcome back. So today I'll simply be sharing what I do to get rid of the itching problem that I'm having lately. If you're new to the lock community, then you might want to just save this video. For those of you who have been locked for a long time, you should already know this, but if you have forgotten, you could save it in your playlist too. Let's get to it. So lately I've been scratching my scalp non-stop to the point I had to stop and ask myself, what is going on? And to be honest, I forgot just how much my hair would itch me on my lock journey, on my previous lock journey, in the beginning stages really. As my locks matured, everything went well. But of course, in the beginning stages, your hair, your scalp, it's a new change. So your head is trying to get used to the change and adjust. And everyone's different, of course. With that said, I quickly went to Google and I searched a remedy for itchy scalp. And the first thing that popped up was tea tree oil and distilled water. And I stopped in my tracks because it all came back to me. For some reason, in the span of a year being a loose natural, I had simply forgotten what I did until I Googled. And really, it's a simple remedy. You just need tea tree oil and distilled water. For me personally, I don't have tea tree oil. I have peppermint oil. I also have lavender, which is great to soothe the scalp. I completely forgot I had this in my essential oil stash. So I pulled it out because it works just as great as tea tree oil, and I believe eucalyptus works as well. So before I end this video, I'm going to show you quickly in a demonstration. Probably really don't need one, but just in case someone wants one, I got you, okay? Because I do have my own little travel size on the go bottle I like to have. Just so I won't mess up myself, I poured some in here. So we all know oil and water doesn't actually mix well together, but I've read that if you choose to add water, it is recommended that you use either distilled or filtered water. Simple as that really. And before each use, you simply give your bottle a good shake before spraying your hair. If you'd rather not do that, you could always just use the essential oil diluted with a carrier oil like jojoba, which I happen to love using with my peppermint oil. So before applying to your scalp, and that's two, just be sure to check the dilution guidelines first, and you're good to go. There you have it. Your own little to-go bottle, or just your at-home bottle. Whatever you have, that works. That's it. Really easy type of thing for your hair to not only keep it smelling good in between your wash days, but it's also great for, of course, itching, an itchy scalp, and before you exercise. Get a lot of great uses out of this mixture. I did happen to spray my hair just a little this morning, but soon after applying that to my scalp, within like 3 minutes, I could feel the difference. My scalp felt so much better and my days have been wonderful. I hope this helps someone out there. Like I said, if you enjoyed this video, add it to your playlist. Don't forget to give it a simple thumbs up or comment below. I'd really appreciate it. And thanks as always for watching. Catch me in the next video. Enough love.